today, but we are in lockdown, so I thought of taking you guys through my lockdown day and what it looks like. It's nothing fancy, obviously. I'll be sitting at home and just doing the regular stuff, but I can't believe we are in lockdown again. I mean, yeah, 2020 all over again, and I have a lot to tell you, like my emotions and feelings and my thoughts on what I feel about this lockdown, but I'll tell you that in a while. Right now I think I got up thode time pehle and I'm going to make chai. You guys won't believe it, like really, you guys won't believe it. I am having chai after 3 days. Like I haven't had my morning tea for the past 3 days because yeah, बहुत लेट उठ रही हूँ. I think मेरा 3 हफ्ते का break हो गया, because of which I was not working out, and now when I started working out, my body usually is so sore in the morning कि उठा ही नहीं जाता, but then I have to push myself out of the bed. But today, because my body has been so sore, I thought of taking a break, because that is very important to relax and take some breaks. So yeah, I'm going to be having my morning chai. Just had my tea. Please excuse the window noises. The wind is like blowing, I think, and that is why like it hits my window, and my window is kind of weak, so it keeps making these noises, but please ignore that. And I also had upma. I feel so nice. I feel so good the days that my mom sends me breakfast or like an extra meal. Like, oh my god, the best days. Now I'm just going to talk to you guys about the lockdown and what I feel about it, and yeah, just my thoughts, and also how to make most out of it, because that is something that is needed. I feel we still have like 2 weeks to go, I feel, so that's pretty good amount of time. Now, something that I did last year, I really don't want to do that again, and I'll just talk for myself. Like last year, I think it just took me so long to process what was happening. It honestly took me a lot of time. Like I think it started in March, but March, April, June, I think around 5th June it got a little relaxed, because I remember 10th of June is my birthday, and I thought that I might be able to go out, but there were still restrictions and I couldn't go out, and I had to celebrate my birthday alone. And this year I don't want that, so guys, please wear your masks and don't step out, stay indoors, drink a lot of water. Healthy reminder, drink your kara, very important, and yeah, just do the things that are necessary. As I was saying, when I look back on my year, like 2020, I honestly feel like I could have done so many things in those 2 months. So many people blew up on Instagram and also YouTube, but I was just sulking and processing, and it was taking a lot of toll on my mental health, because of which I was not able to post a lot of videos, be consistent. I think this is also something that I learned last year, to really be happy and work with what I have. So right now I'm not able to step out. Okay, what I have, I'll work with that. So that is one thing that I'm going to do. I'm also going to be trying to drink a lot of water. I know it's so underrated, but oh my god, it helps your skin and hair so much. I'm also going to be taking care of my skin and hair. I had colored my hair and it's kind of fading off now, and whenever that happens, your hair tends to get like really dry. So I'm going to make sure that I'm chumping my hair at least twice a week, because now I do have the time. Hopefully I should be able to have time. Again, something that I did last year, oh my god, I was on my phone 24/7, and that is not healthy. Like you really go into that black hole where you just keep scrolling mindlessly, and just don't do that to yourself. Do something productive, probably. Yeah, as I said, like reading is like meditation for me. Honestly, I feel so good. So those are the things that I'm going to be doing, and hopefully, see, 2 weeks is still a long time. You can even start a workout routine or something like that, and if you're not a workout person, you can probably start walking, like do steps at your home, like just walk in your house. I used to do that a lot last year. And yeah, I think one good thing that I did last year was just like kept working out, which kept me pretty sane throughout the year. I'm just going to really focus on what I have and what can I do now to make it any better, so that I don't have that regret in 2022. Like I'll be like looking back and like, अरे 2021 में भी time था और नहीं किया ऐसे. I don't want. So those are all the things. I really hope that whatever I just said helps you guys. I'm just going to oil my hair. Yeah, I really need to chumpy them. Now it's the chumpy time. The first thing that you need to do is wear something comfortable, something that you don't mind get ruined if you know the oil falls on it, because when I do chumpy, the oil does fall on my t-shirts and I don't like that. If you have been around, you would know that I never ever wash my hair without oiling them. Like, if you haven't been oiling your hair, please include this in your routine, like hair care routine, and you'll thank me later. Like, hair oiling is just so important. Like, I remember when I was a kid, even then, like my mom used to oil my hair till 10th standard, and uske baad, you know, I got all like rebellious, and then I started like washing my hair and like not oiling it as much. But then I remember after my 12th standard, I again got into the habit of like oiling my hair, and it helped my hair so much. Lately I've been using the Dabur Keratex hair oil. It's not like a cosmetic hair oil, it takes care of your hair fall. It is a very nice scalp massaging oil, and it also controls dandruff. Now dandruff is not really a problem for me, but hair fall has been. I take a lot of stress, because of which I do have little bit of like premature graying also, which you guys have seen in my other videos, I'm pretty sure. So this oil takes care of your premature graying as well. The oil has manjishta, it also has brahmi and tiracha tel. I think it's called til ka tel. So you know, it has a lot of goodness. Yeah, what I really like to do is give myself a really good head massage. I'll take a little bit on my hand, and then usually I also really like to use a cotton ball to, you know, spread it evenly. So a couple of things that I really like about the product. First is the smell. I think it's not at all overpowering, so if you have a sensitive nose, you can still go ahead and try this out. It wouldn't irritate you. And the second thing being the texture. I think it's extremely lightweight. Most of the oils are kind of heavy and sticky, but this isn't, so that is something that I like. So it will easily wash off when, you know, you want to wash it off. Sometimes, like, you know, when the oil is very heavy, you have to go in and wash your hair off like twice or thrice, but with this that wouldn't be the case. I'll leave the link in the description bar below, so go ahead and check it out. I'm pretty sure you'll like it. You know, I really like how it says coloring book for adults. Like, I don't know. Guys, I forgot to tell you the other day. Oh my god, ये adult पढ़ के याद आया मुझे. The other day I had this like really crazy mental breakdown while I think you know, taxes, like 31st March was approaching, and I was just stressing out over it, because I had to do my taxes and this and that, and I cried so bad. I told my mom that I can't adult anymore, like I just can't do it. I just want to be a kid again. I want to go out and play and come back and not worry about a single damn thing. And I don't know, yeah, so you know, that is also something that I wanted to mention, that when I look back, I feel like अगर दिन में 1 घंटा भी काम कर लेती, तो that would have been like 60 hours, like 60 days के लिए, and those 60 hours would have been so much. But I really did not do anything, like I was not productive. But this time I have decided that even if, you know, there are days where I'm not feeling as productive, I'll make sure that I learn about taxes and I'll understand finances a lot better. And I don't understand why they don't teach this in school. Like, I think it is extremely important for people to know that like financial literacy is something like that is a blessing. Like, you know, if you know that, if you're financially literate, like nothing like it. And I am really going to try and do that. I'm going to try and read a lot more about it, or probably do my research, but that's also something that I'm going to do. Now I'm going to go and wash this off. So now I'm just going to go for a grocery run quickly, and yeah, I'm not going to be putting on makeup, but I'll still do something to look a little more presentable. But yeah. Guys, I'm like obsessed with these ones. Like, I can't tell you how much I used to love them growing up, but I'm not getting this one. I'll get this one. Otherwise, because I'm avoiding sugar, no. Oh my god, I want to get it also, I don't want to get it also. Came back and I thought that I'll show you everything that I got. So the first thing that I got are some mushrooms. I'm planning on making pasta, so that's why I got it. I also got broccoli and oh my god, this I also got mulberry. Okay, I remember I went to Panchgani last year, and where we were staying now, wahan pe every 10 steps pe there was a mulberry tree, and oh my god, like so many mulberries I've had, like just, you know, fresh from the tree. And yeah, that's why I got it. I really like mulberry, by the way. I also really like mulberry jam, and oh, now I'm craving maproka, like mulberry jam, but it's okay. I also got this quinoa spaghetti. This is just like yeah, you just have to put water in it, I think. I hope this is good. Then I also got some whole wheat pasta, and this is what Samar got actually, some basundi. And oh, apigamia, I love my Greek yogurt, so I got these two. This is the one that I've never tried, so this will be the first time I'll be trying it. This is a probiotic yogurt, so I'm probably going to eat it right now because I'm really hungry. I haven't eaten yet anything. And then I also got some methi thepla. Yeah, I got thepla. No, this is khakra. Oh yeah, sorry, this is khakra. I don't like thepla. Yeah, I like khakra. Yeah, this is khakra. I also got banana and yeah, the biscuit that I showed you. And this is something that Samad got for himself. This is Oreo double stuff. So that's all that I got, and I spent so much money. Sometimes I feel like, oh my god, like living by myself is just so much more expensive than living in a family. Like, I don't know how to explain you. You'll only know when you actually step out and start living on your own. So that was it for today's vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm planning on making more such vlogs for you, like daily vlogs or just like vlogs in general, because now there's lockdown and I'm pretty sure aap log bhi ghar pe baithe ho, so you know, you'll have something to watch every single day. Not every single day, but I'll try as often as possible. So yeah, if you like this video, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye.